it's time to stitch ourselves this cute little present pin badge. Start with DMC colour 947 orange, 6 strands, and satin stitch the stripes on the present. Next, take colour 3837 purple and stitch the rest of the present. Swap to a single strand of 3844 blue and stitch all of the letters. Finally, take 6 strands of 3844 and take your needle down on the left side of the present, up at the top, down on the bottom, and then up again at the right side of the present. And now, tie the loose ends in a nice bow. Pull it tight and trim off the ends. And that's it, you're all done. Get hold of the free PDF for this design and the other Christmas minis via the link in this video description. Check out my previous video for the mistletoe and wine stitch along. And stay tuned for the naughty list stitch along and the video on how to turn these minis into wearable pin badges for Christmas.